In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from VProp Trader. So if you log into your account through here, you're going to have to first meet the criteria. So first you're going to have at least $50 in your account to be able to withdraw, and you're going to have to complete all of the I think challenges. They will have you like complete challenges. So once you set up everything to withdraw, just go to fund, and down here you're gonna see withdraw funds. So here it will prompt you to go bind your bank account. So if you go here, you'll be able to add a bank account, and once you add this, you will be able to basically add like the funds and withdraw them. So over here you will have account, like this is where you choose your bank account, and here where you put your like the amount you want to withdraw. It will show the exchange rate, and then you click submit. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.